Hi, I'm Paul Harris with Aurora Multimedia, and I'm at ISE 2025, and I'm here to show you the new IPBaseT series, which is made of the IBT-BX, which is the box version, so it's the IBT-1-BX, as well as the wall plate, the IBT-1-WP1. What makes this unique is it has the scalability of AV over IP, but the simplicity of HD-BaseT. So with only two SKUs, which are transceivers, you can tell them to be a transmitter or receiver, and it is scalable. So you can use this for point-to-point, a distribution amplifier, a switch, or a matrix with only two SKUs. And when you do it, everything is set up from the front panel. You can give it address 0 to 255. So if you're doing it as a distribution amplifier, you can just plug it in, power it from an Ethernet port, or you can plug it from a power supply. It will distribute the power to the other end. It can also do fiber. It could do 232 IR, USB, CEC, as well as obviously the video and the audio. It'll do it up to 4K 60, 444 resolution. So between these, you set them up accordingly. So you'll set one of these up as a transmitter, you'll set up another one up as a receiver, put them point to point, plug it in, leave it at address 0, and then boom, just works. You want a distribution amplifier, let's say a 1x14, take a 16-port switch, one is a transmitter, 14 of them as receivers, address 0, and then it just works. It's now a distribution amplifier, and you could scale, add, whatever. You do a switch, we work and we partnered with Netgear with the 4250 and 4350 series switches, so they're officially an IPBaseT partner, and we automatically configure and take care of everything for you to keep it simple, and we treat it just like a matrix. So this is where the addresses come into play. So let's say you want to do a 14x10 matrix, some oddball matrix. 14 of them are transmitters, 10 of them as receivers, address 1 through 14, address 1 through 10. Then using a 232 cable, if you want to keep it totally isolated from the network, or through a broadcast command to the network port, you can then send a simple command out like you can see here, exclamation route 1 to 2. So this is how you would do a matrix command, just like the good old matrices that we've been using forever. Nice and simple, nothing fancy, no real true network knowledge on this. So as long as you use the Netgear series, it's plug and play, and it just works out of the box just like a matrix. So if I want to make a bigger matrix, just use a 48-port switch. I could do a 24x24, for example, or any proportion after it. So nice, easy, simple, does the 4K 60 444. This will be shipping in the next probably 6 weeks, and this is called the IPBaseT IBT series. And thank you for joining us. You can see more about this on auroramm.com.